Welcome to English Story Journey. Every year, people make promises. I will change. I will work harder. I will become successful. But most people say these words only on December 31st and forget everything on January 2nd. That is why so many people stay stuck year after year. Their life changes only on the calendar, not in reality. But you are different. You are watching this video because there is something inside you, a fire, a hunger, a quiet voice whispering, I want a better life. I want a stronger mind. I want to grow. And that desire already makes you different from the crowd. Today's video will help you protect that desire, nurture it, and transform it into powerful action. Because today, I am going to give you 7 life-changing hobbies that will make 2026 the most productive, peaceful, and powerful year of your life. These are not normal hobbies. These are success hobbies, mindset hobbies, growth hobbies. They will shape your personality, your discipline, your confidence, your thinking, and even your future income. If you add just one of these hobbies to your daily routine, your life will rise. But if you add all 7, your life will explode into something extraordinary. So sit back, stay till the end, and listen with your heart, because 2026 will not be a better year unless you become a better person. And these hobbies will help you do exactly that. Hobby 1. Reading. The habit that builds your mind. Reading is not just a hobby. It is one of the most powerful habits a human being can develop. When you pick up a book, you are not just holding paper and ink, you are holding decades of someone's life experience. A book is a silent mentor, a quiet teacher, and a loyal guide. It teaches without judgment, it guides without shouting, and it gives wisdom without expecting anything in return. When you read, you enter another person's world. You understand their mistakes, their victories, their lessons, their ideas, and their perspective. What took them 10, 20, or even 30 years to learn, you can learn in a few days. That is why reading is a superpower. It allows you to grow without pain, learn without risk, and become wiser without waiting for life to teach you the hard way. Many people say, I don't have time to read, but the truth is very simple. If you can scroll your phone for 30 minutes, you can read for 10 minutes. Reading does not require long hours, it requires consistency. Just 10 minutes a day can sharpen your intelligence, improve your vocabulary, strengthen your English, and build your confidence. Reading activates your imagination, makes your thinking clearer, and gives you new ideas you never thought about. It helps you express yourself better and speak with more confidence because your mind becomes full of knowledge and clarity. When you read regularly, you begin to understand life more deeply and people more wisely. Reading also teaches you 3 important qualities: patience, focus, and discipline. Patience grows when you slowly follow a story or learn a new idea page by page. Focus improves because a book demands your full attention. There are no pop-ups, no notifications, no distractions. And discipline grows each time you finish a chapter or complete a book. Finishing a book is not a small thing. It is a promise kept to yourself. It is a goal achieved. It builds self-respect and inner strength. If 2026 is the year you want to grow mentally, emotionally, financially, or spiritually, start reading now. Do not wait for the perfect book or the perfect time. Begin with anything that makes your mind better. Read motivational books that inspire you. Read biographies of great people who changed the world. Read English stories to improve your language skills. Read graded readers designed for beginners. Read books about success, psychology, habits, communication, and self-improvement. Every page you read makes you a little stronger, a little wiser, and a little more prepared for life. Remember this truth: your mind is your biggest asset. Everything you want in life, happiness, success, confidence, opportunities, comes from the quality of your mind. And reading is the best exercise for your mind. Just like your body becomes stronger when you train it, your mind becomes powerful when you feed it good books. Make reading a daily habit, even if it is only a few pages, because the person who reads every day grows every day, and the person who grows every day becomes unstoppable. If you want, I can continue the remaining hobbies in the same long, detailed, graded reader style. Hobby 2. Journaling, the habit that clears your heart. Journaling is a simple habit with a deep power. Life becomes heavy when thoughts stay inside your mind. Stress, fear, confusion, and anger take up space in your heart and make everything feel difficult. But when you take a pen and write, those heavy feelings leave your head and move onto the page. This movement alone creates relief. You do not write for anyone else, you write for yourself. The page is a safe place where you can speak honestly without fear. When you write your fears, they become smaller. When you write your goals, they become clearer. When you write your problems, solutions begin to appear. When you write your dreams, they start to feel possible. Start simple. Step 1. Choose a small notebook or open a fresh document on your phone. Step 2. Decide a fixed time, 5 or 10 minutes each morning or night. This works well. Step 3. Write without editing. Do not worry about grammar or style, just put your thoughts down. This step-by-step approach makes journaling easy and consistent. Many people stop journaling because they expect long essays, but real change comes from short, honest entries, 5 minutes of truth every day. Over time, these small entries add up to deep understanding. Use prompts to guide your writing. A prompt is a short question or sentence that helps you begin. Try these. What am I grateful for today? What scares me right now? What one thing will I do today to move closer to my goal? What made me happy today? Writing from prompts keeps your mind focused. It prevents blank page fear. Prompts also help you notice patterns. After a few weeks, you will see repeating thoughts. This shows where your heart needs care or action. Journaling is more than words. You can draw, list, or make a short plan. Some days, write a quick list of wins, 3 things you did well. Some days, write a letter to your future self describing your dreams. Some days, write a short problem and 3 possible solutions. This variety keeps journaling alive and useful. It trains your brain to solve problems and celebrate progress. Reflect regularly. Once a week, read your entries. Look for feelings you repeat. Notice small wins you forgot. This reflection turns journaling into a map of your inner life. You learn what works, what hurts, and what gives energy. You begin to correct bad habits and repeat good ones. You also build self-awareness, the skill of knowing who you are and what you need. Journaling brings focus and purpose. When you write each morning, you set your intention. Today, I will practice English for 20 minutes. Or, today, I will be kind to myself. These clear intentions guide your actions. When you write every night, you let go of the day's heavy thoughts and sleep with less noise inside your mind. This small ritual changes how you feel and how you act. Imagine entering 2026 with a clearer heart. Imagine waking each day with direction and calm. Journaling gives you that gift. It's a private place where your mind becomes quiet, your goals become visible, and your emotions become understandable. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your heart become lighter and your life brighter. Hobby 6. Fitness, the habit that transforms your energy. Fitness is more than exercise. It's the habit that transforms your entire life from the inside out. When your body moves, your life moves. When your body becomes strong, your mind becomes strong. If your body is slow, your life becomes slow. If your energy is low, your motivation becomes low. If your health is weak, your dreams become weak. That is why fitness is not optional. It's necessary, especially in today's world where stress, screens, and sitting control most of our day. The good news is simple. You do not need a gym, you do not need expensive equipment, and you do not need 2 hours a day.